Devin Thompson here with Patriot Awning Company. Hey, I wanted to thank everybody for checking out our YouTube channel. The likes and the thumbs up and the shares and the followers. And we're not a huge YouTube channel, but who knows, maybe one day I'll be able to stop making awnings and just focus on YouTube. Today we're showing you the EconoDeck post-supported version canopy system. We did a YouTube video on the hanger rod, the overhead supported system, but this canopy, it has post. The EconoDeck is a lot like the AmeriDeck, only it's less expensive. It's less expensive because it's all roll form materials inside. That's what makes the canopy. You've got roll form fascia. That's the stuff that goes around the front and the end here. And we've got roll form decking. This is a roll form flat soffit decking all the way down there. And so what happens is when it rains, the water channels into the gutter, which is all the way around the perimeter, and comes out these downspouts and in front of the post there. This canopy has a 10-inch C-beam at the front. It's about 13 foot off the ground. We had to get a lift in here to get it up. And so it's pretty simple the way it goes together. Well, what's not simple is we had to permit this project. We do offer permitting services. We have an engineer that we use, and we're able to provide the sealed drawings and everything to make that happen. So if you want an affordable but functional coverage for an area, you want to dry it in and prevent water from going you see where I'm going with that, right? Sometimes a canopy is the best option to prevent, flooding a building inside, even with drains down here. So we're going to shoot some drone video. I'm going to include that in this video. I'm not as good as certain past presidents at flying drones and droning people, so you'll have to bear with me on that. But hey, thanks for checking out our video. I hope you have a great day. If you want to book an appointment with us, you can book online now. Makes it super easy. Just go to patriotawning.com, scroll down to the bottom of the website, and click book now for whatever you're trying to book us for. Thanks, and have a great day.
Patriot Awning Company. Patriot Awning Company. American pride in every scene. Patriot. American pride in every scene. Patriot Awning Company.